Hey guys, welcome to the campsite. Welcome to today's video. It's hailing. Can you hear it? I hope it doesn't get bigger. Oh yeah, look, it's all over the ground. Look at it bouncing everywhere. I don't know if it's coming up on camera or... Oh, it's cold. Alright guys, rain stopped, hail stopped. It's the afternoon, sun's going down. It's getting pretty here. Got a lot busier here in the campground area. But we're currently about to pack up. So we're just getting ready to put everything away. I'm just about to put the kayak on the roof. And we're heading off tomorrow. Alright, roof rake's on. Those guys are being noisy. Time for the kayak, which is full of water from the hail and rain. And tied to the wheel. So I guess we'll see you tomorrow morning and see where we head off to. Alright guys, we're at Franklin. So we passed through Huonville, went over the hills and down the hills, and now we're at a river. I'm guessing it's the Huon River. We stopped for a little wee break. There's some swans. It's been pretty windy too. Alright, so there's a little pontoon here where you can come down to the water. And oh, you can see all the seaweed and stuff in there. Any fishies? And then, so, oh, it's part of the rowing club as well, that's why. So there's little like walkways that you can walk down. Oh, the bird just ducked down. Is it going to pop up again? And it popped up over there. That was down for ages. Okay. Cool. A wooden boat centre. Alright, so here at the boat place we get to see some history and stuff about the old boats and how they were done. So here they also hold courses where you can learn how to do boat building and dinghy building with wood crafting skills. Tasmania chopping board. I spy. That was really cool and interesting about how they hand make wooden boats. And I think now what we're going to do is we're going to go to an antique shop. There is a river cruise here at 3 o'clock, but it's $55. And it's only an hour and a half. Oh, it's already gone. But it was $55 for 1.5 hours. So we might do something else. 592. 29592. Oh, there's a website. www.littlefreelibrary. Alright guys, so we're at Heritage Park. It's where we've pulled up camp. And I'm just looking at the playground area. There's a couple of like barbecue and picnic areas. There's a swing where you can clip the kids into it. There's like a little maze. And it's a bit windy too. I'll try to shelter you from the wind. Cool little maze. And then big climbing jungle gym. And a road with working lights and everything. I don't know if you just saw it change colour, but giveaway signs, street names, caution signs. There's a spot for the parents to sit down and watch. And then there's also a walk called Platypus Walk. This is the Platypus Walk. So here's the river, little creek thing. And apparently there's platypus in here. So I haven't seen any. And there's a walk that goes up and along the river on both sides, where you might get the chance to see a platypus if you come here. So we're at Geeveston, staying at Heritage Park. It's $10 a night, but it's a pretty good park. We've enjoyed it so far. It's been good. There's a whole heap of wooden sculptures around town, so they'll be going through the screen now. And you walk around town and you have a look at the wooden sculptures and read all the signs and the information on them. And that's pretty much it for Geeveston. We also went to the Information Centre and got some information there about the surrounding areas. And we'll see where we end up heading off to next time. But that's it for this video, and we'll see you later. Bye.